Hello everyone, today I will introduce the Web Service Project 1, SOAP and the REST API. Firstly, what is SOAP and what is REST? Simple Object Access Protocol, which is SOAP, and the Representation State Transfer, which is REST, are two answers to the same question: how to access web services. SOAP relies exclusively on XML to provide messaging services. Web Services Description Language, which is Visual, provides a definition of how the web services work. Instead of using XML to make a request, REST relies on a simple URL. REST can use four different HTTP 1.1 verbs. They are get, post, put, and delete to perform tasks. Here, let's introduce the SOAP client program firstly. We use this API, top selected Goa scholars. By inputting a value n, this API returns an array with the top n selected Goa scholars and how often they are selected. This API is provided by Visual DataFlex Football Pool. Here is the main code. With the input top n, we can put that into this parameter, and then we try to get access to this SOAP server. Here is the address of this visual file. Let's have a look at this visual file. Here we can see that here is the operation that we want to use. It has input message and output message, and we can find more detailed information about these two messages, but time is limited, so I just skip this information and go back to the PPT. After accessing to the SOAP server, we put the result into this parameter, and there are too many elements in that result. We just want the top selected Goa scholars, and we put the information into the parameter array. This code shows how to display the information stored in that array. Let's take a look at the demo of SOAP API. How long should your top selected scholars list be? Choose a digit between 1 and 20. Let's say 10. Here is the list of the top selected scholars. The first one is Messi, and he is selected for 85 times. So we can say that the SOAP API works well. Another one is REST client program. In this project, by using getAddressValidate, we can invoke the email validation web service from Mailgun. Along with the get method, we should pass the public key of our own to get access to this web service. Here is the symbol of request. With this URL, we can get access to that web service. And here is the response symbol for that request, and the result is true. Next, we introduce the main code for the REST API. Firstly, we should pass the public key of our own, and then we try to get access to this URL address and pass the email address that we want to validate, and we store the result into this parameter. This code shows how to display the information that's stored in that result. Let's have a look at the demo. At first, we input A, B, C, D, and we can see that there is a warning, and this email address is not valid. And then we input the abcd@mailgun.com, and we can see that the email address is valid. So we can say this REST API works well too. At last, here are the reference of our project, and thank you for watching.